Rodents can damage your car by chewing wires, nesting in the engine, and leaving droppings. Stopping them early can help you avoid costly repairs and safety risks. Keeping your car clean is very important to prevent rodents. Avoid leaving food crumbs, wrappers, or anything that might attract them. Regularly vacuum the seats and floor, and wipe down all surfaces to remove food smells. Also, avoid storing pet food or snacks in your car, as even small traces can lure rodents. Parking in a bright, well-lit area, or a place with frequent activity, can also help, as rodents prefer dark and quiet spots. By maintaining cleanliness and choosing the right parking spot, you can greatly reduce the risk of an infestation. Rats and other rodents can cause significant damage to a car's engine by chewing on wires, leading to expensive repairs. To prevent a rodent infestation in your vehicle, it's essential to take proper precautions and maintain cleanliness in and around the car. Start by carefully removing the plastic engine cover, as rodents often hide underneath it. Once removed, rinse off any dirt and debris using water. Then, wash the engine bay with mild dish soap to eliminate grease, food particles, and rodent scent markings that might attract them. Allow the engine cover and surrounding area to dry completely before placing it back. While setting a rat trap may seem like a practical solution, it can be risky. If you forget to remove the trap before starting the car, it may fall deeper into the vehicle's interior, potentially causing mechanical problems. Instead of traps, a safer and more effective alternative is to use a strong-smelling perfume. Rodents dislike intense scents, so spraying perfume or essential oil on the engine cover and fabric inside the car can help deter them. This simple and easy method will help protect your car from rodent damage and avoid costly repairs. Peppermint oil has a strong, minty aroma that rodents dislike, making it an effective natural deterrent. Unlike harsh chemical repellents, peppermint oil is non-toxic and safe for both humans and pets. Mix 20 drops of peppermint essential oil with half a bottle of water in a Zep sprayer bottle. The Zep sprayer bottle provides a fine mist for even coverage and has a durable design for long-term use. Shake well and spray the mixture around the engine bay, car interior, and any potential entry points for rodents. Reapply every few days for the best results. Ultrasonic rodent repellents for cars are a non-toxic and eco-friendly way to keep rodents away. The BuzzKick 3-in-1 ultrasonic pest repeller helps keep rodents away from your car and home. It uses sound waves to deter mice and rats, providing a safe and easy solution. By following these preventive measures and maintaining cleanliness, you can effectively keep rodents away from your car and ensure its longevity.